Hello, in this video, we will introduce menus. TK Inter provides a comprehensive solution for building graphical user interfaces. This section introduces menus and toolbars. A menu represents a set of options to help the user find information or execute a program function. Menus make selection easier and are widely used in GUI. You can use the menu class to create a menu bar and a menu and use add command method to add items to the menu. So let's write this demo here. I'm going to create, this is the calculator here. So this is the calculator. You're going to enter numbers 2, 4, add. So the result is 6. You click this button. This is subtract. And here you create the multiply. So that's multiply. So we got all the menus. And this is to quit, exit. And this is add, subtract, multiply, divide. And you can also have this buttons right here. And the toolbar buttons. And this is the buttons. All right, so let's see how we're going to write this code here for this GUI. So we're going to create a menu bar. So you are going to put this menu right here. Is the menu is this window right here. So that's right here. Now you have this is menu bar. So this is window. You need to display it, display the window bar. So using the window config menu is this menu bar. And next, we're going to create this operation. This is the operation. So this is menu bar now. So this is menu bar now is menu bar dot add cascade. This is the operation. So this is the operation menu. And now in the operation menu, we're going to add this label is add, and then the next one is subtract. And then we're going to add a separator. So this is the separate line between this subtract and multiply. And this is multiply and divide. So add this. Let's add another one. It's for the exit menu. So this menu bar. So this is the exit menu. And now here is this is at this level quit. This is command is window.quit here. So all these commands, look at all these commands, add, subtract, multiply. So let's also add this user interface for this label, and this is all the text fields. So here we going to look at this. So let's add this all this toolbars. So these are the toolbars. I'm going to put this. All this is the image. So here is the plus, minus, and this is the cross, and this divide. So all these images now. We put all these images right here. This is the button here. And these are the small buttons, the toolbars. So this is all in this frame 0 here. So that's the frame 0 now. The frame 0 right here. We'll create the frame 0 with all this. This is the images. And now the next one is frame 1. Frame 1, we have this is the label is this number 1, number 2, and result. And then we have all the entries. It's right here, the entries. All right, so when you have all these entries here, see the values here, it's a string val, so v1, v2, v3 are here. Now, this is the buttons. So we have all the buttons here now for add, subtract, multiply, divide. All right, so now let's look at this. When you click button here, so this is the button add, so this is self.add, so this is self.add. So when you click on this, it's self.add. When you click on this, menu, so self.add. So what is self.add? Is, so you get these two values. So self.v1.get, self.v2.get, so convert it into float, add it, and set it back to v3. It's right here. That is all for this video on creating menus. See you on the next video.